What's up, jet ski fans? Welcome to another Joel Arsenault YouTube video. Thanks for hanging out with me here. I do appreciate it. In today's video, we are hanging out with the JetSki brothers riding WaveBlaster 1s around their track. What could possibly be more fun than that? Well, I'll tell you, not sucking at riding a WaveBlaster 1. Fortunately, today's video is sponsored by the JSB Josh Academy of Blasting Hard.
I blast hard!
Are you tired of not being able to pick up chicks? Are you tired of sucking at life in general and not being able to ride jet skis? Are you tired of being broke, borderline homeless, and shunned by your friends? Well, do I have great news for you. The JSB Academy of Blasting Hard is now offering classes on how to ride the WaveBlaster 1, WaveBlaster 2, and Yamaha Superjet.
Well, if you want to turn tight, you do have to hang off the back, and if you want to slide, you sit in the middle.
I know what you're thinking. These classes must cost $1 million, $2 million, maybe more. Wrong. These classes start at the low price of only $2,500 an hour. Generally, depending on how bad you suck, you can learn how to suck a little bit less at life in only 2 hours. A bargain at twice the price. If this sounds like something you'd be interested in, links in the description below, as well as links to my Teespring and Patreon. As much as I hate to admit it, and as good as I thought I was at riding a WaveBlaster, today's footage starts off with me sucking. Let's get into it. Just another evening at the JetSki brothers. Forgot to bring a ski!
I walk faster when I run.
See, he rides it a lot different than I ride it.
I was about to come back to your ski back. How so?
You ride it very aggressively.
I guess I'm used to the aggressive blaster.
Yeah.
I don't think anybody rides it more aggressive than you, Jason. You're the aggressive blaster, man.
Well, if you want to turn tight, you do have to hang off the back, and if you want to slide, you sit in the middle.
Yeah.
So you kind of choose.
Yeah.
That's why I was like, I wonder if you ride the X2 right, if it feels that good.
You're a regular Kenny Roberts.
Although portions of this video have been edited to protect the intellectual property rights of the JSB Academy of Blasting Hard, what you're about to see is a real treat. Not only instructions, but actual riding footage from the master himself.
On my 1200 blaster, it's like all bottom end, and I can ride so aggressive.
All right, guys, this is totally me driving the WaveBlaster. This is how good I am.
Oh, why is this helmet all comfortable? That ain't right. Are you coming, Jacob?
Yeah.
I noticed you wearing a hat today. It's throwing me off.
I know. I had to get it for the video.
Okay, how about this time I'm already coming in and you start?
Yeah, it's like shooting Waterworld or Jaws.
Yeah.
We are the JS Brothers.
And you're watching Ocean Life Network.
All right, let's watch that.
low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I've been making moves till I'm buried in my grave. Do the system, I don't wanna be a slave. Shit, on the way, on the highway, ain't in the driveway. It's a nice road, cause I'm right with a blind mic like gold. Never hit the bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can blow the octane. Anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. We'll see if you can negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go,
That's how fast I am when they take the leash off.
That's right. When they take the leash off.
It's time for the big dogs to play.
If you guys need further evidence to prove that the Jason Sebas Academy of Blasting Hard actually works, after a mere 2 hours of lessons, I was not only certified as not sucking at riding WaveBlaster 1s, but I was formally requested to do a back-to-back test between Josh's and Jacob's WaveBlaster. That's what you're about to see next.
All right, which one you taking, Joel?
I'll take Jason's
Okay.
at first. I should run them both on the same water. I'll run them on clean water.
Yep.
No wash.
Oh, exactly.
Don't want to be biased. If it shut off on it at all. I don't know. Find out.
I bet you he's saying, oh gosh, this thing
I
is
wasn't
fast.
pointing the camera.
Oh, another shipmate. Maybe he's just not riding it.
I hate it. I hate it so much. It's a stupid triple and I hate it. Yeah, it's not right. It's not running great.
I don't feel that like in control
No.
with that speed.
It
Oh wow. All the way through. That's fun.
A pro will come out going out.
I think yours handles more novice friendly.
Oh yeah, it's way easier.
Because the engine's further forward, I was trying to drive it like I had driven Blasters in the past, or the one other time I drove Blasters.
Yeah.
And I found it was way slippery, but just sitting back on it a bit. So yeah, I should try this.
You can be relaxed on that one. That one you can be Kenny Roberts on.
Yeah, knee dragging.
I think you can more on that one.
Yeah. Well, did mine work okay?
Yours didn't really work very good.
No?
And I just was like, okay, I don't want to ruin it. So.
I don't care. You wanna?
I think it was running on 2.
Yeah. It sounded like it might be like, it might have ruined one of the O-rings or something and taken in water, or...
Do we need to look at it?
Is the pump still on? Oh, I turned the pump off and it's probably full of water. That's probably a big part of it.
Yeah, there's a lot of water in there.
Yeah, it's quite a bit of water.
It's gonna change its mind.
Oh, maybe it'll be good now, eh?
It might be. Because, yeah, it throws up a lot of water into the back carb.
Well,
that's a lot of water.
Well, I will.
Is not that great on all the X2s I've ever ridden.
Yeah.
Well, once you get those new carburetors in there and you can fit the flame arrestor on there, it's going to be cured.
Yeah, if you want to try it now,
all right. Yeah.
It might take a second to clean out. That's kind of a pain. You gotta like open it all the way and kind of like guide one side with your fingers and like.
Okay, that's not novice friendly. I can see.
Yeah, no. As awesome as I am at riding WaveBlaster 1s, probably the top 4 ranked in the world after my Jason Sebas Academy of Blasting Hard lesson, I still don't have a whole lot of seat time. In this next clip, I got a little bit cocky and thought that I could chase down Jacob, who was riding my 1100 triple swapped X2. Let's see what happens. I tried something a little different there and it did not work. It probably would have been okay, but basically it hooked up and I freaked out. hope you guys enjoyed this footage, and I hope you enjoyed the humor as well. As far as I know, Jason has not registered the Jason Sebas Academy of Blasting Hard, but he would probably be willing to give you guys a lesson if you're willing to pay $2,500 an hour. In all seriousness, I had a real pile of fun hanging out with these guys and ripping around the track, and I did learn an awful lot from them, both watching them and listening to different things that they had to say. That's going to do it for this one. If you guys want to support me on Patreon, there are links in the description below to that and to my Teespring if you want to pick up some merchandise. I will probably have a couple more videos from the JetSki brothers and then get into some of the stuff that I'm doing here. I have been releasing more footage on my Patreon account with some kind of secret stuff that I'm working on. And I'm probably going to try to finish a couple of projects and then release the videos in the spring. But there will still be videos from my channel, hopefully throughout the winter, of me working on different things. Anyway, once again, that's going to do it for this one. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to go and subscribe to the JetSki brothers. I will see you next time.
Let's hear your top 3 desired skis.
I don't know what my number 3 would be.
Okay. What about a, hold on, a wet bike? Is that your third most?
No.
Have you ridden a wet bike?
I haven't, no.
Oh man, it is unique.
Yeah, I can imagine.
Yeah, you should put that as your number 3.
Don't they have a vertical, like basically like an outboard engine? The flywheel on top, like a big flywheel? And
yes, that's true. Yeah, it sits in so much water, it's really a hassle, but for the experience, could you just put that as your number 3?
Okay, number 3 is wet bike.
Oh, weird choice. Go on.
Yeah. Number 2, this is hard because it's kind of like number 2, number 1, but
well, you gotta just choose right now. You change your mind later, but for this survey,
okay,
right now.
Okay, right now, on the spot, number 2, Superjet with a triple swap.
Oh, okay.
And number 1 is a blaster.
Wow, WaveBlasters at the top.
Yeah.
Man. Josh was telling me I should sell you a WaveBlaster.